Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about botanical gardens, their historical aspect as well as their function. Students, a botanical garden is a place where different categories of plants are grown and maintained by specialists, experts, educationists as well as scientists with the help of gardeners. These gardens are meant for collection, cultivation and display of a wide range of plants, including the ornamental plants, the cultivated, the wild, medicinal plants, spices, cacti as well as succulents. Student, including this botanical gardens also include diverse kind of plants from different corners of the world. So they play important role in conservation. The plants are labeled with their botanical names and any other special features like their local name and season of availability of important plant parts. Most of the botanical gardens are maintained by colleges, universities and research institutes to support teaching and research. In addition, they educate common people about the importance of plants and to help conserve plants around the world. Students, a big botanical garden generally include greenhouses, shade houses and glass houses for the protection of the important plants with their environmental requirements. It also should have a lily house, fern house, cacti and succulent section for maintaining lilies, ferns and succulents because they have different requirement of different environmental conditions, and in these sections these conditions are maintained for their growth and survival. Including this, a botanical garden should have a pond for aquatic plant, a library for reading and gathering all available information from the herbarium from the garden as well as from the around the world. It should have a herbarium, a research laboratory, a documentation center for collecting and preserving important plant parts and doing further research. Student, the first real botanical garden was maintained by Theophrastus. Let's know in detail what is a botanical garden, its history and its function. So students, a botanical garden is a place where there is an assemblage of living plants maintained for botanical teaching and research purposes, as I explained to you earlier. Earlier, botanical gardens were started as physic garden for training of medical students and for the study of medicinal plants. Means their main intention was to cultivate or gather the plant only to cure diseases. The origin of gardens can be traced back long before the dawn of history when man grew plants in garden which were of economic use to him. Means man initially started cultivating plant only for their commercial value. Ancient Indian history shows the cultivation of medicinal and food plants since 4000 to 2000 BC. The plants were also grown for ornamental purposes around the temples and palaces. For this, the plants were being introduced from different places. The Romans, the Chinese, Persians, and Aztecs were very fond of gathering and growing plant for various purposes. Means they collect and gather plant for their commercial, their medicinal, aesthetic, religious values. During the Middle Age, no such attention was paid to gather or introduce the plant. However, the oldest botanical garden, that of Pisa and that of Padua and Florence, were established in Italy in 1543 and 1545 respectively, mainly for the study of medicinal and fossil plants. It were 16th and 17th century when there was a great awakening in respect to the learning of numerous plants and growing them in garden. Means it is the middle of the age, that is 1543 to 1545. There is great awakening to grow the plants, and this led to the development of great study institutions and their botanical gardens very rapidly. As a result, there are more than 500 botanical gardens in various countries of the world. In India also, the first garden was originated in Mumbai in 1830 by the Agricultural Society. Then in 1838, another botanical garden was established in Chennai. Similarly, many gardens came into existence at Ottakamand in Nilgiri Hill, Nainital, Loyal Botanical Garden at Darjeeling, etc. Students in Mandi, we also have a botanical garden that is maintained by IIT Mandi at Kamand. You can see the importance of the plants or study of plants attracted many people, and this led to the foundation of academic institutions and gardens even till date. The original concept of Royal Botanical Garden Kew was the cultivation of flower for the beauty and delight. Merit of a true botanical garden is its use in botanical education and research in addition to the display of plants of ornamental and horticulture interest. As I explained to you earlier, botanical and horticulture research is an accepted and well established sphere of activity of most of the botanical garden of the world. Means at present botanical study and horticulture research is the main focus in the botanical gardens. Hanging gardens of the Babylon were considered to be wonders of the ancient times. There is an International Association of Botanical Garden which was established in 1962. It coordinates research and exchange of plant material. So students, let's know in detail what are the function of the botanical gardens. Firstly, botanical garden help in growing important plant of local flora, which is further helpful to keep a record of all the plants of the locality. It also provide living plant material for systematic work, means all the students, researcher and educationists as well as scientists who are associated with the systematic work and want living plant specimen, they can get information from the botanical gardens. Botanical garden also supply seeds and material for different aspects of botanical research. In addition to that, they also supply seeds and plant material for the local or common people for their commercial, medicinal, edible and aesthetic uses. Student growth and maintenance of rare and endangered plants is possible in the botanical garden because botanical garden provide full requirement of the plant for their maintenance. In addition, botanical garden are also very helpful to conserve plants because in botanical garden plants from different corner of the world are gathered and maintained. Students, let's watch the glimpses of botanical garden maintained by IIT Mandi, and pics were collected during an exposure visit organized for the last year student of BSc first year. So to conclude, I must say that a botanical garden is a collection of living plants maintained for both pure and applied studies. During the earlier time, botanical gardens were mainly maintained for training of medical students as well as for the study of drug yielding plants. But nowadays we can maintain botanical garden for recreation, for the hobby, for the conservation of rare and endangered plant, to provide seeds and plant material for the common people, for the research, for the training and for the education. So I hope you all understood this topic. Thank you for listening.